the Department of Computer Science Engineering. So in this last class I have discussed about the data analytics and what are all the applications of data analytics and why we are using the data analytics nowadays. So the next topic is data collection. So in this we have to, the main thing is we have collect all the data based on the problems. So in this life cycles, the first process is data processing, just identify the problem. So in this we have just identify what are all the problems the customer have to ask the analyst. So we first understand what is the problem and what are all the data we need for this processing these problems, and what are all the decision makings we have to done based on the data. So these are all done by the data collections. So these are all done by the data also. So the data collection is the main role in this data analytics process. So we have find the what are the data collection and how we collect the data based on the problems. So in this next, so why the data collection is very important in this data analytics is it will improvise the decision makings. So based on the data only we have to decide what will be happen next. So the first thing is it is mainly used for decision making, and the next one it will be experience the personalization. So the more number of personal experiences are having the customers, so we have collect all the data from the customers also. So it will experiences the data and it will be 100% effective for our decision making. The next one is foster trend detection. So in this foster trend detection we have collect all the data from the customers and the usage of the particular products. So based on this we have created new trends based on the customer needs. So what are all the new trends we have included. So if any needed we have create more number of designings for the particular products. So these are all done based on the customer feedbacks. So the next one is predictive analysis. In this predictive analysis we have find out what will be happen at the next step. So this is the main thing we are using. So based on this data, the main usage of the data collection in data analytics is it will predict what will be happen, and it is mainly used for the decision making. So there are two types of data collection. First one is primary data collection and the secondary data collection. So in this primary data collection, the data are directly collected from the either customers or some of the persons in persons. So the secondary data collection is it is already collected data. We just use what are all the data we needed from the different databases. So first thing is primary data collection. In this primary data collection we collect the data directly based on the some of the conditions. First one is survey. So we first identify the problem. What is the problem given by the customers. So based on the problem we have to create n number of WH questions which will be asked to the customers. So based on the surveys we create already the n number of questions based on the problem statement. So we give the surveys either in online or any offlines. So in person or some of mobile phone or mail communication, we collect all the data which we are collected based on the questions. So first one is surveys and the experiments. We have conducting either testing or some of the experiments to the customers to observe the to collect the data which they give the input for the particular problem and how they will be reacted based on this problem. And this observation, we have monitoring all the movements of the customers or some of the systematic approaches to collect the data based on the observations. So either in a business or some of the supermarket. So if we need improvise our business, we just follow the observations of the customers. So which product they needed and which product they which product usage is many more to the particular periods of time. So these are all noted based on the observation and the interviews. So we have conduct the interviews for the about to the customers either in through online or offline. So either mobile communication or email communication we conduct interview. So we have already created the n number of questions based on the problem. So we have to conduct an interview regarding to the customer and the sensor data. So sensor data means we have use IoT devices and sensor technologies to collect this information. So these are all the primary data collection, and the secondary data collection, which is the data are collected. The data are indirectly collected. So all the data are already saved in that location. So we just collect the data from the different database based on our problem. Thank you.